Alright, explain each part of the equation is represented in the hanger. So x, okay, the x is represented by the circle that happens 3 times. The 9 is, it looks like the number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be the total on the left. Alright, the 3, how can I get 3 out of this? Oh, 3 is the number of groups. The number of groups of x plus 2. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3 x plus 2's. Okay, x plus 2 is a single group with an x. And then 3x plus 2's would be the expression, to represent the whole right side. Because I have 1, 2, 3 x plus 2's. And then the equal sign would be showing both sides have same weight. Balanced. That's number 2. All right, let's move on to number 3. Let's finish this thing up. Select the word from the following list that describes each situation. So we're going back: tax, commission, discount, markups, tips or gratuity, interest. You deposit money in a savings account, and every year every amount of money in the account, increases by 2.5%. Okay, increasing by a percentage in the bank, that's going to be interest. Okay, so this one right here matches that particular problem. Okay, so let's look at the next one. For every car sold, a car salesman is paid 6% on the car's price. Car salesmen work on commission. That's why they come out and they annoy the fire out of you, is they work on commission. If you just go through and circle all these, by the way, it's going to be wrong. You need to either draw a line or something to show that these are true. I'm just talking them out as I go. Alright, next one. Someone who eats at a restaurant pays an extra 20% of the food price. This extra money is kept by the person who served the food. You are giving that server a tip. Okay? Extra percentage added on. That is a gratuity, a tip. That's what we call tip. Alright, let's go to letter D. An antique furniture store pays $200 for a chair. They add 50% of that amount and they sell it for more. Places do this. It's called a markup, to make sure that they add a percentage. So when they sell it, they can make a profit. So that's a markup. And the normal price of a mattress is $600, but you find it on sale for 10% off. You have discovered yourself a nice little discount. 10% off. Those are discounts. All right, and then lastly, probably going to be taxed, but we'll see. Make sure. For any item you purchase in Texas, you pay an additional 6.25% to the government. Governments are bad about taxing us, and that's why we despise it so much, because it adds additional price to what we purchase. And there, my friends, is the end of your homework this week.